Welcome to this step-by-step guide on enabling testimonials on your WordPress website in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. In the top right corner of the screen, you will notice a login option. Simply click on this login button to begin the authentication process. After clicking login, the next step is to proceed with the Google sign-in option. When you see the prompt stating continue with Google, click on it and then choose the account you wish to use. This method of authentication simplifies the access process by linking your familiar Google credentials to your WordPress account. Once you are signed in, your dashboard will appear, and you should now look for the area where you can adjust your website settings. Find and click on the Settings menu. This menu is typically clearly labeled and might even be linked with the domain test account formal wordpress.com. Upon entering the settings area, you will see various options that control different aspects of your website configuration. Within the settings, it is important to navigate to the section that manages writing options. Scroll until you see the writing section and then click on it to load the writing settings page. This page contains several elements that determine how content is submitted and displayed on your website. The writing options are essential for enabling additional features like testimonials, which can enhance the credibility of your website. When you are on the writing settings page, you should now locate the option for testimonials. You will notice a toggle or checkbox associated with testimonials, and your task is to activate this feature. Enabling testimonials allows your visitors to leave feedback and share their experiences in a structured and appealing manner. Simply switch the testimonials option to the on position, ensuring that the feature is now active on your site's backend. After turning on testimonials, the final step in this process is to secure your settings changes by saving everything. Look for the Save Changes button on the page and click it. Saving your changes is a crucial part of the process as it registers the newly activated testimonial feature with your WordPress website configuration. Once you have clicked Save Changes, you have successfully enabled testimonials on your site. Throughout this process, you have learned how to easily navigate from the login page to modifying your writing settings and ultimately activating testimonials. This streamlined tutorial is designed to help you quickly set up and benefit from testimonials on your WordPress website. Take a moment to review your settings and ensure that the testimonial feature is functioning as expected on your site's front end. This guide has walked you through every step in a clear and efficient manner, ensuring that even those with a basic understanding of website management can follow along. Thank you for following this instructional guide. You are now well equipped to take full advantage of the testimonial feature, enhancing user engagement and adding credibility to your online presence. Enjoy the benefits of a dynamic website with active visitor feedback enabled through these simple steps.